Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on NEAR. So welcome back, NEAR community. I've covered NEAR quite often. Well, not quite often, but I covered it a couple of times in the last weeks. I also bought into NEAR, so I watch it every single day. So I thought I'd make a video on that. I mean, these videos also tend to be quite appreciated, so I hope this one is appreciated as well. I just wanted to give you my full thoughts on NEAR right now, because it's at a pretty important moment right here. I mean, yesterday morning, NEAR found support right here at this level right here between around 3.2, and that is, I wouldn't call NEAR bullish right now, but I would also not call it bearish. And the last level that's preventing me from calling NEAR bearish is 3.2. It has the 382 fib, it has the 200 EMA, it even has the possibility to spike down to $3 and get some support from that. So that's the main level, and so far it doesn't look that great, because NEAR, obviously, I mean, it's mainly due to market circumstances, because NEAR itself I still think is doing great. But if you look at NEAR the last week, you can see we've lost a lot of open interest, a lot of momentum. And then especially also, we lost it on Wednesday already, but after that it has also not increased. And if you look at the last day, you can also see that it's lower than 24 hours ago. So NEAR is losing momentum, and if there's one thing you need if you want to be bullish as a crypto, it is momentum. And apart from that, I mean, if you purely look at the technicals, we found support at the strong support level. It was to be expected. I mean, if we did not find support there, that would be very bad. But you can see that from that support, we just respected the resistance level right here at 3.6. You can very clearly see that that's an important level. So we just respected that, which is not ideal, because if you're respecting resistance, that means that the trend, well, is not bullish for sure, and that there's actually some bearish momentum right now in the price. So NEAR itself, look, like I said earlier, NEAR itself I still think is doing fine, and I also do think NEAR will do fine in the future. It doesn't matter that much to me. I mean, I bought NEAR quite a bit lower than where the price is at right now. I think like 20% lower, so it doesn't matter. But if you look at the total value locked, I mean, this has also peaked, so the fundamentals for NEAR, they're good, but they're not that good as I would like. So the market structure right now is the following. We have this bearish momentum right here. We have a strong support right here. And what's going to happen is that NEAR is either going to break above this main resistance right here at 3.75 to get back up to 4 and 4.2 and kind of consolidate here, which would be great. Or NEAR is going to drop down below its main support here at 3.2 and continue down to $3 and 2.75, excuse me. And at this moment, given what I'm seeing right now in the numbers, which is a momentum that's dropping, fundamentals that are worsening, and a Bitcoin that's, well, relatively strong, but it's mainly Bitcoin that's strong and not the altcoins. Bitcoin dominance is on the rise. I would say it's most likely to get something like this. But that's purely based on what I'm seeing. I would not trade this. I would definitely not short NEAR, because I do think it's still a very strong coin. But just based on what I'm seeing, this looks most likely. Now, obviously, you have to take that with a grain of salt, because the ETF news is coming up, and the result of the ETF decision is going to heavily impact markets. And you can basically forget about this technical analysis once that happens. But until that, this is my most likely scenario, and this is what I think you need to know. All right. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. There I also gave a signal on when to buy NEAR. It was down here, I think. So yeah, check that out if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.